Hi, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's a trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star Room on INFA, Informatica Corporation. Here it was at 4 o'clock yesterday. They announced earnings, and a major disappointment. This is what happened after opening. Bam! All the way down here, $25.99. That is a 22% drop. So let's pull this up and see what happened next. I traded it in pre-market for about 2% on the short side, and it continued to drop then after opening. I'm getting ready to short it, and bam, I'm short right there at 22.47. It dropped through this 25.50, which was support from the pre-market. And for short, I pulled right back up, came back down, and it's right there. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to get out. This 25.50 is holding as support. I'm out at 25.61 for minus 0.5%. Well, then this did proceed to go along for a while. Was trading several other stocks at the time, and until it got to this point here, where I noticed that it was starting to set up. Right here is where it started to pull back down to that 25.50 area again, but it was on increasing volume. So I set an order just below that, and let's see what happened next. Bam! Look at that. Now I'm in at $25.47 short. Let's see here. Let's pull this up and see how it goes from there. Again, each one of these, by the way, is about 1% here. So let's see how we go. Then it, so it just was low basing here. So we had a drop. It's a low base at 25 support. It comes up to a line of resistance, the 8 EMA, exponential moving average in this case. And what happens? Now we're right at the $25 mark, which is a possible line of support. It's an even dollar amount. It's always an issue. And I broke it briefly. And now I have my stop here up to break even. And now it starts to pull back down. It did break the $25 down to $24.75. Starting to drop. Now we're cooking. Look at this. Again, each of these is about 1%. Now we're down here to the $24 possible support line. And look at that. It's resting right on the 24. And will it break it? Well, I broke it, but just kind of barely. So I went ahead and I took out half here at $23.94 for 6.0%. Let's see what happened next. Stretch this out a little bit. Boom! Look at that. It dropped up here and it closed above the 8 EMA. So I got out here right at 24.27 for 4.7%. So let's pull this down. So from here down to here, half out, and the other half covered right here, was for a total of 5.35% in 51 minutes. And then what happened after that? It did proceed to rise up very gently here for the rest of the morning, right through, this is noontime now, right through lunchtime. It just kept on rising. But we stopped trading about 12:30, so we didn't get the second half of that trade. Well, these are the kind of trades we're doing in the Grok Star Room. You're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just come to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chat room page down below. You can sign up for that free trial. This was just one of 12 call trades today for a net of 12.9% on all of our called trades. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember that discipline, persistence, and patience are the three most cherished characteristics of a consistent winning trader.